Today I'm Ashley Christian. Today I'm gonna talk about the Black Chorus by CBI Kit Homes. It's a charming return edition of the populars with a frame cabin cottage. The 790 square feet main level features a 14x11 living room with a dramatic cathedral ceiling opening to a bright dining area and 19x10 front deck. The adjacent 10x13 kitchen is conveniently located near a pool hallway, bathroom, two main level bedrooms, one 10x12 and the other 10x7, 6 are other bathroom ceiling. Upstairs, a 327 square feet loft overlooks the living room, and includes dual closets, creating a peaceful, elevated retreat. If you want to learn more, contact us. See you on the next video. Bye.